Welcome guys to another video. Today we're gonna do a reaction video on what about this man is gonna do. So it's gonna be a very exciting video because it's something that probably you guys were waiting for me to do, but we're gonna be watching this video that Sony just throw to us and let's say here, have a nice day. And wow, I bet everybody on the electronic repair community was like, wow, what happened? I don't know, probably I haven't seen Sony do this before, so probably if you think I'm wrong, just leave a comment down below saying, hey Jose Morales, you are totally wrong. They have done it in the past. But anyways, let's just react to it because I'm as excited as you are of what's going on with the PlayStation 5. And let's see, take it on, like they're gonna basically take it apart. So I'm not wanna talk too much, just let's go.
サイズは幅 104mm、高さ 390mm、奥行き 260mm と PS4 より一回り大きくすることにより、処理能力や静音性の面で飛躍的な性能向上を実現しました。
Alright, we start by he's saying all the measurement and all the stuff, and right away, boom, he shows this, the Type-C port and the high-speed USB port. So let's continue with the video. That's something that they just changed right away, so let's go.
フロント側には USB Type-C ポートとハイスピード USB 対応の Type-A ポート。リア側には
Okay, something that I was expecting probably from Sony to do is like make all the ports on this one like the USB Type-C, but it's probably it was something, it's too much to ask. I don't know. Like in the new MacBooks, we get all the Type-C. We don't get like a mix of Type-C and Type-A USB. So let's go.
スーパースピード USB 対応の Type-A ポートを2つ、LAN ポート、HDMI ポート、電源端子を搭載している。
Not so much different from the PlayStation 4. We have all these connections on only one side, which is the back of the PlayStation.
フロント側の2列が吸気口です。
Two huge ear vents. That's what we already knew.
リア側はすべて排気口になります。ベースを外します。縦置きの時は
Okay, we all saw the pictures, but like the companies, they never tell you like this is gonna be included. Like I didn't know like this stand or whatever this base was gonna be included on. I mean, with the whole unit. I think it's a nice touch. They don't like especially like try to get more money by selling you the base. And it's something the company, I think it's because the shape, you cannot like put it like just flat on the table. It's not gonna happen. Probably that's why they say, okay, we have to give the base, because the way we made this model, they cannot just put it flat on the table. They need a base to get this done, so we can stand the PlayStation like vertical, like we always see on the pictures, and also we can just lay it on the table or whatever you want to put it, and you don't have to buy this extra basically base to get that done.
コインネジで固定されています。外したネジはスタンドの中に収納できます。で、このキャップを固定しておきます。横置きにするときはベースを回転させてください。
I just want to point out that it's so practical, it's so nice.
このマークに合わせてベースを差し込んでください。
I mean, I just want to have it on my hand, please.
両側の白いパネルはお客様自身で取り外しが可能です。後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドすると外せます。
Oh, that's not. Oh wow, that came out easier than that is on the PlayStation. I mean, don't get me wrong, to replace the hard drive on a PlayStation, especially on the PlayStation Slim, you just have to remove the little corner, the cover, and basically reveals that one single screw to remove the whole hard drive on the PlayStation. So probably this is not so much different, but I don't know. This is just the to make it look pretty. Basically, we see this like white side. It doesn't do anything. It's just to make it look like a product they can sell.
こちらも後ろの角を持ち上げてスライドします。
Both sides? Okay, I was not expecting that.
ここに冷却用のファンが内蔵されています。両側から大量の空気を吸い込みます。PS5 では2箇所に
This is like taking a first look to your future, because I know I'm gonna be doing this. I'm sure.
ダストキャッチャーを設けました。ダストキャッチャーに溜まったホコリはこの2箇所の穴から掃除機で吸い出すことが可能です。
They think of everything.
将来の拡張ストレージ用として
It's not gonna be that dust collector. I mean, think about it. Like everything is gonna get anyway stuck on the top of the PlayStation, like they always do.
PCIe 4.0 に対応した M.2 インターフェースを搭載しています。
Okay, here we have the expansion. So if you guys are thinking about doing like storage expansion, I guess we can do it through here. By it says PCI 4.0 support installed, so let's have hope with this. Let's see. All right. I wish I can have a more clear look to this, but anyways, that's what we have from now. We're gonna have our own, probably taking apart later.
ここからPlayStation 5を分解していきます。
You already done, sir. Alright, but now it comes the fun part. Taking those stickers off. Unclicking stuff. Removing screws. Unplugging cables.
ファンを取り外します。
Okay, he will start by removing the fan.
直径 120mm
Whoa, that looks like an airplane turbine. That's pretty cool. Probably will have mine without the two covers. Or maybe we can customize it like with different kind of covers on the side. I mean, this is something very big. We're gonna see in the future all these customizations. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I don't know if that's how gonna be in real life, because we always see videos how to take things apart very easily, but when we get to put our hands on them, it's not the case. So let's hope this is it's gonna be in real life that easy to remove the first whole side of the PlayStation. And now we can see we have a first look into the motherboard. And it's fun. It's fun. Just let it run.
Ultra HD Blu-ray のドライブユニットです。
Just to let you know, give you a heads up, this was the taking apart of the disc version of the PlayStation 5, not the digital. Probably that's gonna come out in the future, or it's something that I will do.
ドライブユニットは板金ケースで完全に覆い、さらに二重のインシュレーターでマウントすることにより、ディスク回電時の駆動音と振動も低減させています。
Thank you, because is something we can replace. So we're gonna be able to replace if the disk reader goes bad, is broken. I know on these little two rollers right there, they get so much dirt. They we have to go and clean it. It's something that we can fix. Okay, that's nice.
次に Wi-Fi 6と Bluetooth 5.1のアンテナにつながるケーブルを外します。
Okay, this is something we already know from PlayStation. You see, he is unplugging all the antennas for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and stuff.
シールド板を外します。
And this right there is pretty similar. Just give me the same vibe as the PlayStation 4 because the whole top, it has this shield. And also the motherboard give me the same vibe. Same type of screws like pressing on the CPU. And here we have it. Our first look at the motherboard of the PlayStation 5. So you guys can see right there on the bottom corner, we have that connection. That contact goes directly to the power supply, which is just similar to the PlayStation 4. Right there towards his t-shirt, his shirt, we have the HDMI connector. We have the for internet WLAN connector and the USB Type A. I think that's not a Type C. I don't see the Type C around here. But anyways, if we take a look at the HDMI port, is pretty similar to the PlayStation 4. I think it's something that we're gonna be able to replace by doing soldering, which I don't know. I don't think I upload a video about that, but it's something that we're gonna be able to do, and it's good for the consumer to know that.
CPU は8コア16スレッドで最大 3.5GHz で駆動します。GPU は最大 2.23GHz で駆動し、10.3TFLOPS を実現します。メモリーは GDDR6 を
Okay, we have this memory RAM split into 8 different little chips. It's nothing different from the old one. If we need to replace the memory RAM, even on the PlayStation 4, we need to know how to do solder and like BGA, rework, or whatever like that. Nothing that we can just order from eBay.
8個搭載し、バンド幅は最大で毎秒 448GB です。
16 gigabytes, faster than most of our computers. Not everybody has a computer with 16 gigabytes. I mean, I have it, but I don't know, maybe a few guys watching this video are not gonna have that.
ストレージは HDD に代わり、
Okay, here is a very specific thing that I was looking for. 825 gigabytes SSD implanted on the motherboard. I know it said instead of HDD, of course, but unfortunately we cannot replace this one. If this one goes bad, we are not gonna be able to replace it, which is a big deal because we have replaced many times the hard drive of a PlayStation. We go even to Best Buy, we can order on eBay, Amazon, all these big sellers. You can go ahead and grab it and boom, just take one screw off and put the new one. With this one, it's gonna be different. I don't know, it's something that big companies are going forward now. We see Apple on the new MacBooks, they go with a straight on motherboard hard drives, not I mean, SSDs, not something that can be removed. I mean, I know it's done by so they can take advantage of the speed because there is not actually a connection. They are basically like they solder on the motherboard. But anyways, it's something for the consumer that is a little bit different when they're gonna have if they're gonna have a problem with one of these SDs, because it's not the same when you have a single card that when you have like multiple pieces of that card on your motherboard.
825GB の SSD をオンボードで実装しています。カスタムの SSD コントローラーにより、読み込み速度は生データの転送速度で毎秒 5.5GB と高速化され、ゲームのロード時間を大幅に短縮しています。PS5 の SoC は小型の台を非常に高いクロックで動作させています。
Okay, he's explaining.
このため、シリコン台
He's explaining some of the speed which already they talk about, like on the conference they keep even like long time before about like the frame rate and speed overclocking and all that.
の熱密度が非常に高くなり、SoC とヒートシンクの間に挟む TIM と呼ばれる熱伝導材の大幅な性能アップが必要でした。PS5 では長期で安定した高い冷却性能を実現するため、この TIM に液体金属を採用しました。我々は2年以上前からこの液体金属を採用するための準備をしてきました。考えうるありとあらゆる試験を実施し、採用に至っています。これが PS5 の
That is a huge heatsink. I mean, a little different from the one we saw on the PlayStation 4, which is, this is going to help a lot. Maybe they say it's quiet. I mean, it's not as loud as the PlayStation 4. I mean, we still have to use it and see if it's true.
ヒートシンクです。PS3 や PS4 と同じくヒートパイプを使っていますが、形状やエアフローの工夫により、ベーパーチャンバーと同等の性能を実現しました。これが定格360の電源ユニットです。
Okay, here we have all the antennas and Wi-Fi,
こ
Bluetooth.
れがプレイステーション5の全部品です。
Okay, that was it. As we can see right here, this man right here just took apart one of the PlayStation that I bet millions of people, million of us, like are being waiting so patiently. Maybe not so patiently sometimes. We have to go camp out. We have to go through many stuff just to get our hands on this PlayStation. And here the man just took it apart like nothing. Sony just came and say like, hey guys, here we go. Have a like, what is it? Have a nice day. But anyways, guys, that was fun to watch, and probably we're gonna be looking forward to the teardown of the PlayStation 5 digital version. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Just let me know in the comment down below what do you think about all what happened, and if you want more videos like this, reactions and also reviews. What I want to start to grow this channel, so let's hope you guys help me out and leave you a thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.